Ahmed. Shahbaz. The best umpire nominated by Ajman Cricket Council is Razak Shah. Razak has earlier also won awards from the Dubai Cricket Council side. The best umpire nominated by Dubai Cricket Council is Bahadur Ali Khan. He has done a wonderful job for Dubai Cricket Council and on many occasions single-handedly done matches from both the ends. The best umpire from Sharjah Cricket Council is an ex-cricketer, a veteran cricketer, and that is Arshad Ansari. All the 4 umpires get a trophy plus a cash award of 1,500 dirhams each. Last year, we instituted an award for the best women cricketer of the UAE. And before I give you her name, let me read something about her performances. She started her career in 1993 by representing Delhi in sub-junior, junior and Delhi senior tournaments and represented Delhi University in the All India Inter-University Championship. After moving to the UAE, she started playing for UAE in the ACC 2020 Women's Championship, and in 2009 in Malaysia, she was selected as the best batswoman and bowler in the team. She then led the UAE team in the ACC 2020 Women's Championship in Kuwait in 2011 and was the second highest scorer in the tournament, making 136 runs in 5 matches, was not out thrice, finished with an average of 68 runs and also bagged 4 wickets, and her name is Shruti Pathak Pandey. Shruti gets a trophy plus a cash award of 1,500 dirhams. The winner in Division 2, the best bowler, Mohammad Mashood of Newcaf Telechery, who picked 19 wickets for 186 runs in the Bukhatir League B division of Sharjah Cricket Council, and also picked up 17 wickets for 164 runs in Ajman Council tournament for a total of 36 wickets for 350 runs. He gets a cash award of 1,500 plus a trophy. The Best Batsman Award goes to Ayub Inayat of Ibsens, who scored 500 runs in the Sharjah Council tournament and 201 runs in Ajman Council tournament for a total of 701 runs. Unfortunately, he is out of the country in Pakistan, so I will request my colleague Farooq Siddiqui to receive the award on his behalf. Oh, there is Mehraj ul Hassan who is here. The best all-rounder in Division 2 is Zahir Beg of Nissan, who scored 505 runs and picked up 5 wickets. He gets a cash award of 2,500 dirhams and a trophy. Before we go to the cricketers in Division 1, we have a special award for a gentleman who has been playing cricket, organizing and supporting and running cricket here for the last 30 to 35 years. And recently, he has been awarded the ICC Global Award as the best performer, and that is Mr. Mazhar Khan, who is with the Emirates Cricket Board, the Sharjah Cricket Council, and the ICC awarded him with a Lifetime Achievement Award for his hard work in the UAE, and likewise, we also would like to do the same. Coming to Division 1, the best batsman is Abdul Rahman of ECB Blues, who scored 299 runs in the Abu Dhabi A Division tournament and 231 runs in Bukhatir League of Sharjah Cricket Council for a total of 530 runs. He gets a cash award of 3,000 dirhams plus a trophy. The best bowler is Shadeep Silva of New Medical Center, who bagged 15 wickets for 110 runs in Sharjah Council Bukhatir League A Division tournament and bagged 8 wickets for 214 runs in the Abu Dhabi tournament for a total of 23 wickets for 224. He's a UAE star and he plays for the UAE squad and has given us a lot of victories with his left-arm spin bowling. Well done, Shadeep. The best all-rounder is Nasir Aziz of Eurocon and Yogi Group, who scored 272 runs and picked up 7 wickets in Abu Dhabi tournament and also made 124 runs and bagged 12 wickets in Sharjah tournaments for a total of 396 runs and 19 wickets for 313 runs. He has just played for the UAE and he has done very well in the recent Division 2 WCL tournament. This year we have again reintroduced the Inter-School Cricket Awards, and what we did was we had to pick the best performers in the 3 Emirates of Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. From Abu Dhabi we have the best junior cricketer Bikramjit Singh of Sherwood Academy, who played 4 matches and scored 300 runs, his highest being 38 runs and picked up 3 wickets. He gets a cash award of 1,000 dirhams and a trophy. The best junior cricketer in the inter-school cricket from Sharjah Cricket Council goes to Siddharth Shekhar of Delhi Private School Sharjah, who scored 222 runs and bagged 8 wickets for 84 runs. Siddharth also gets a cash award of 1,000 dirhams plus a trophy. The best junior cricketer in the inter-school under-16 from Dubai Cricket Council goes to Shaurya Chopra of Modern High School, Dubai, who scored 265 runs in the Sharjah tournament, and he also scored 334 runs in Shreyas Memorial Tournament in Dubai for a total of 599 runs with 2 centuries. Well done, Shaurya. May I request my colleague Shoaib Muljiani to come here and continue with the other awards presentation. Shoaib.
Thanks, Mohammed. The next round of awards is to recognize the regional councils for the efforts that they put in organizing various tournaments. They provide a platform for cricketers to actually showcase their talent around in the UAE, and it's but right we appreciate the efforts that they're putting in. May I invite from the Abu Dhabi Cricket Council, Mr. Wajad Hussain, who is not available at the moment, but I request Mr. Inamun Haq to please come over and accept this award. He's there? Happy he's coming. Next, from the Ajman Cricket Council, Mr. Shajiul Mulk, who is also away on travel, but may I request Mr. Merajul Hassan to please come over and accept the award. Next, from the Sharjah Cricket Council, a man whom we all know very well, Mr. Mazhar Bhai, Mr. Mazhar Khan, may I request you to please come over and accept the award. My very own colleague, a man who actually runs Dubai Cricket Council and makes his work, Mr. Mohammad Lokhandwala from the Dubai Cricket Council. Thank you. Without the media, we won't get the news that we're supposed to get. They play an extremely important part in providing us information and keeping us updated on the happenings of this world. Cricket is a sport, is also covered there. It is but right that we acknowledge the media in the efforts that they put in coverage of local cricket here in the UAE. I'm going to invite from Khalij Times, Mr. Pradeep Adur, to please come over and accept the award. From Gulf News, may I request Mr. K.R. Nair to please come over. From Gulf Today, may I request Mr. Wilfred Pereira to please come over. From Emirates 24/7, may I request Mr. Alam Osman to come over and accept the award. From Sports 360, Mr. Jay Prashad Rai. I'm not too sure whether it's related to the rise in Bollywood. From the National, do we have Paul Radley here? Is Paul around? Or is Mr. Ahmad Abbas Rizvi? No. Mahoda, can I just request you to just take the trophy, please? Thank you. No. From Express, may I request Mr. Rohan Alvarez or Joydeep Sen Gupta? I think both of you around. In this age of technology, computers and internet play a very important part. We've got a site, which is thecricketlovers.com, and we'd like to appreciate the effort that goes in there in updating the people around in the UAE. May I request Mr. Gopal Jasapara to please come up and accept this award. Gopal also is a member of the Dubai Cricket Council and has a lot of effort put in. And this particular event is also contributed by Gopal in terms of managing and putting the setup up. Thanks, Gopal. Thank you all in the media. Yeah.
I have a special request from Mr. I.P. Khaitan and quite a few members of the crowd that they would like to give a standing ovation to Sham Bhatia for all his efforts of rewarding all the local cricketers and doing a wonderful job in supporting the game of cricket in the UAE. Shamba has arranged for 2 cakes for the day today. And this is for celebrating India's victory in the World Cup and also for celebrating his first anniversary of the Cricket Museum. Shambhai, Kapil Bhai, please.